Hey guys, once again welcome to Jokebs. In Sketchware for beginners, today we are doing a simple example of dependent spinner. So what is the dependent spinner? In this method, data in secondary spinner or the second spinner changes depending on the first or primary spinner. So create a new project or open any empty project. I have dedicated project for these tutorials, so I will open it. I've cleared everything out. This is empty. So here we will create a list string for the first spinner. Let's name it countries. We need more data for second spinner, so for that we will create a list map. You can store a lot more data as compared to list string or the simple map in list map. I am adding few country names for the demo.
Do you remember how you held me then? Now you got me reaching out. And do you see you got me falling in more times than I can get out?
I think they are enough. Let's stop it, otherwise it will take much more time. Okay, to put the data in the list map, we need a map. Let's create the map. So each of these maps will hold cities for one country. Let's put some demo values.
Down in the deep of my mind, how long do I got to keep you? Down in the deep of my mind, I call for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind, trying so hard not to keep you.
I am using the wrong block here, so I will delete this, and in the list string we will keep one empty value for default. And here add the block add map to list map. I will add dummy values for other countries also. I will not add for all countries because it will consume a lot of time, but for few of them I will definitely add. Another thing, we added empty value in the list string, so we will also add an empty value in list map for default.
How long do I got to keep you? Trying so hard not to keep you.
Now it's time for real business. We will add two spinners, set them as country and cities, and on first spinner we will define on item selected method. Here if position is 0 we will disable second spinner, else we will set data to second and enable it. I think we forgot something. We have to set data to first spinner also before we can choose something from it. So here, first we will get data from list map to map and then get all keys to list string. And yeah, we need one more list string here.
Yeah, and do you see you got me falling in more times than I can get out? Down in the deep of my mind, I call for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind, how long do I got to keep you, to keep you? Down in the deep of my mind, I call for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind.
Oh, so we are getting keys, not values. And there what keys we set? 1, 2, 3. Which country has cities like 1, 2, 3? We have to set city names in the key section. And in the value section, you can add the state name or whatever you want. It doesn't matter if we are not using the value, we are using the key. Now I changed my mind for no reason. I just want to add more cities from my country. Now it is working fine. Only two issues. First, empty spinners look a little bit weird. And second thing, if we select a country for which we don't have data, our app crashes. We will fix both issues. So our spinner was looking weird when they was empty. We will show the spinner name there. For that, simply set spinner name at position 0. Recall from previous lessons, the index starts from 0, not from 1. So thing on the second place is at index 1 and thing on first place is index 0. Okay, so if your app crashes and you want to prevent it from crashing, you know where in your code the problem is. Surround that particular part of your code and try and catch block.
How long do I gotta keep you?
And in the catch block, code placed here will take place when something goes wrong in the try block. So here we will get message from exception e.get message and show a toast.
Remember how you held me then? Now you got me reaching out.
Now everything is in control. We can get rid of that if and else statement. Simply code place outside of it and delete that. So this was example for beginners. For more advanced use APIs or JSON files. I know if you have some experience, you can do them by yourself. You don't need a tutorial for that. If you can't do this, just simply use this. It is not much efficient method, but it will work for you.